up, girl? What's up, girl? Cause I'm gonna slow it down. Beat it up, go down. Beat it up, take it down, 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 down. Beat it up.
Hi guys, it's Brianna. Hi guys, it's Brianna. Today I'm showing you guys some spring decor. This is one of my cool videos that I wanted to show you guys, and I really like these. I know one of them, it didn't look like I did, just one of them, I don't think I did good. I'm still having my giveaway. It's almost over. The video on how to enter will be in the description. I will announce the winner in my Easter video. So yeah, let's get started. First, we are making a butterfly garland, and all you need is these foam butterflies, a hole punch, and hole punch them on both sides. And I just did this to pink, yellow, purple, and blue. Now take some yarn and pull however much you think is needed, maybe do a little bit extra, and thread all your butterflies through.
Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo.
Next, we are making this flower board thing, and it's really simple. Just get a wooden board and then hot glue some flowers on. Make sure you get the whole thing around, and then get your yarn and glue it all around like a little vase.
Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo.
Next, we are making egg string lights. At first, I saw this on Pinterest. Wait, no, not at first. First, I came up with this by myself because I couldn't buy it at Target, and then I saw it on Pinterest. Now just take some string lights, place them inside your eggs, and there you go. Whoa!
Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo.
Next, we are making a coffee filtered butterfly. You just want to get a coffee filter and fold it in half. Do this twice. For some dumb reason, I forgot to record this, so I'm just going to explain it to you guys. Once your coffee filters are like this, just hot glue them together in the middle. Then get a clothespin covered in glitter and place it in the middle too. But you have to clothespin it in the middle, and then get some Mod Podge and only put it on the outer corners of the coffee filter and cover it in glitter. And that's what shows here. Next up is a cactus pot, and this is kind of easy. You just want to paint some rocks to make them look like a cactus, and then put some smaller rocks into a pot. Just put the bigger rocks into the pot, and then you're done. Our last and final DIY is a button tree, and you're just going to need some buttons, of course. I picked these fun ones, and then get a canvas and some brown markers. Next, you want to draw a tree and a tree trunk. Not exactly a tree, just a tree with sticks, because the buttons are going to represent leaves. Then with the buttons, I decided to plan it out first instead of gluing them on, so that if I want to change it, I can. Now the last thing you have to do is glue on all your buttons, and you're done.
Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. Let me switch up the tempo. I wanna switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo. Can I switch up the tempo? Switch up the tempo.
Okay guys, we got into the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!